Hi everyone. Here is our topic is Go and the JavaScript. This is my name is Yue and this is my partner.
Hi guys, so we're doing in Go as a backend language and JavaScript as the front-end language. So Yue will go into depth about how Go works and how JavaScript works. I'll do some demo and then we'll wrap it up. Yue.
Yep. Go is now open source programming language and it makes it easy to build simple, available and efficient software. I got this from Golang.org. It is a really amazing website and if you guys are interested you can visit there. And see these cute pictures. We got some pros about Go language. It's really fast. You can, like programmers can edit it and run it, Go programs, directly on the web. And it is a garbage collecting language, so programmers don't need to worry about their memory management. And it also built in concurrency. Yeah.
So it has some built-in concurrency, much better than like we have in C, where we have to type in pre-thread and then go through all the headache of mutexes and locks. This is like the language built to deal with concurrency. The functions are mostly inherent. They have like underlying concurrency design in mind, and so you most likely not even run into any weird errors like used to run in C. So that's why one of the reason I like this language. And the the designers of Go, they kept this in mind because they wanted to make it available or rather operatable on multiple systems simultaneously. So that's why concurrency with this effect comes very handy. Now, some of the other things are quite important is that it has amazing documentation. Like, the only reason I was able to get anywhere is because of its documentation. So hats off to the documentation. It's really good. It's fairly straightforward if you know what you're doing, and it has most standard libraries that almost all languages have today. And yeah, so this is another issue that this another factor that we really liked about the language was that it's more like system language, which something like PHP and something like that. Yeah, so that's why we thought we'll go with Go as the backend and then use JavaScript for front end. So yeah, this is actually one of the best comparison chart that we have seen. So basically, it's comparing the efficiency of the language for computer, and then how coders can write it. So Go basically turns out to be way more efficient for computers and equally more efficient for humans. Now, if you look at the graph, you will see that that C is well more efficient for computers. But the thing is, it's quite hard. It gets really messy when you get to lower level of C, and it's kind of really painful. So that's why they intentionally keeping that in mind, they came up with Go so that they can keep the language efficient and yet make it really easy to code into without compromising efficiency. So some of the types it has is like it doesn't support generic types like JavaScript does. That's not a flaw. That is by design. That's intentional.
Pretty good. And here is JavaScript. We'll learn a little bit from our classes. And JavaScript is a lightweight and interactive programming language, always first-class functions. While it's most well-known as scripting language for the web pages, actually it has so many pros we can tell. You can easily to to see the resort for your work if you're using JavaScript. And development in environment is not that requirement, because you can simple test editor. That's all you need for Golang. Here is some browsers we are always using, and most of the pages are based on JavaScript. Chrome, Firefox. This is a new thing, like Microsoft Edge. Actually, JavaScript is also a very high-level language. You will never need to worry about memory management too. That's why JavaScript can be a really good partner with Go language. And another most important reason is JavaScript is really easy to learn.
He's a big fan of JavaScript. Moving along, so I'll do a quick demo of a server that I set up using Go as the server-side language, and then I set up. I'm still working, but I have made some progress in setting up the web page. So here is my command prompt. I'm gonna kill it, and I'll in the meantime I will open up local host as well. I just need to check briefly what is the port that we are running. We're running on 1010, and I think we're good to go. Hopefully it doesn't blow up on my face. I am killing the server that I was running earlier. Give it a moment. Alright, so it's out. So let me just quickly show. So if you look at this, Go has a bin, package, and source. So these bin, package, and source are three fundamental sort of directories that any Go project has to have. And within that source file, we have our Go source file. We have added our own template so that we can have HTML and then some JavaScript and CSS. But a lot of it was kind of just downloaded from the net. I'll quickly run the server. It should run without any hiccups. So what I'm doing is I'm saying go run, and then this Go file, basically this is printing log blah blah, and so I'll handle any request that comes in with // / means any request, and we are handling it on port 1010. This is the file location. I'm just serving one static file. There are a lot of ways to do this, and you can add some pretty amazing features, but I don't want to make it any more complicated. Now going to localhost 1010. Okay, so this is the HTML page that we have written. This is some basic CSS, and these are the anchor links that we have, and my intention is to eventually link them to make them clickable, so that when you click on any of these links, they show you. Yeah, I don't know where I left off. The recording got cut, but basically the Go file is serving the request, serving the file, and this is a JavaScript in the front, and my intention is when I click, I will have some graph here. This is the JavaScript code that we have written. This is basically the HTML code that we have written. There is some JavaScript connected over here, so that there's an animation when you click, it will roll and you'll get a new page. And I think that should be good enough. We'll quickly wrap up by saying Good luck. Have an amazing semester. Bye bye.